The development of skills and talent for Ireland has underpinned the success of the medtech sector here over the past 50 years. Skillnet Ireland provide critical funding in order to reduce the cost of training and upskilling, and by companies working together they can develop courses and training programs that are best in class globally.
We want to try to deconvolute as well a lot of the sort of, I suppose, lack of understanding from a funding perspective around IDA funding and then Skillnet funding, how that can work for your companies. So that's really why we're here to talk about that. We have a great group of people here who are really here to try and help everybody, you know, with questions, with connections, and with networking, and that's what these type of events here today are about.
As well as developing training as guided by industry, we also provide funding towards the cost of training. And not only that, but we negotiate the best possible rates with training providers, and then we apply our funding to that rate.
My first job after college many years ago was in Cork, so I mean Cork is looking really good. I have been here before since that. That's about 35 years, I don't know, a long time ago anyway, but Cork is really good. That's great to be here.
10-15 years ago nobody talked about talent, so talent is the big thing and has been for a while now.
There are many organisations in Ireland today looking to support talent development, and the IDA is one of those.
So at any one time we train 160 PhDs here. We work with about 200 industry clients in any given year, and they range across from multinationals, SMEs, startup companies, etc.
Specifically for us, the apprentice program in the last couple of years really has been a game changer. We've had over 24 apprentices in the last 7 years.
We are the business support agency of the Government of Ireland, responsible for advancing the competitiveness of Irish businesses through enterprise-led skill development. So what does that mean? The aligned purpose of our state agencies in this space, and the why really.
Here you can see a lot of the companies that have engaged in the apprenticeships to date. We have over 130 companies at this stage, and I'd say to you that if you're not in the game for apprenticeships, you're missing a trick.
I think the message I suppose I want to get across is that just because you're an EI or an IDA client doesn't mean or doesn't preclude you from talking to any of the Skillnet networks around your training provision.
Companies that are involved with clusters are more productive, they're more innovative, and they provide more employment. A lovely stat actually as well, they provide more quality employment.
How do we make it better? How do we make it faster? How do we make it easier for people?
It doesn't matter the size of the company to make sure that we can do whatever we can do to make something work for the companies, and that is without, I can stand over that statement really easily, because people go to amazing lengths to try and make something work.
A really exciting year ahead, and just stay tuned. So that's about it. Thanks Carla for hosting, thanks you for attending, thank you Anne for putting it all together, and just looking forward to seeing the year ahead. Thank you.